It's October now, the scariest time of the year, so I decided to talk about true fear, the most disturbing, uncomfortable thing you could imagine. Yeah, that's right. I hate this ride. Truly the worst ride in DCA and the worst coaster I've ever ridden is Goofy Sky School, a mock ride steel wild mouse coaster. Originally opening as Mulholland Madness on opening day, February 1st, 2001, in the Paradise Gardens area where it still resides today. It easily fits into the original idea and look of the park before it got refurbished in 2008 and reopened as Goofy Sky School on July 1st, 2011. It has the shortest history of any other ride I've covered so far, with it technically being a re-theme more than anything else. It probably was the least affected area of the park considering what it was and what it is now. Anyways, once you get to the outskirts of the park, you see a windmill and a plane wing with the name of the ride acting as a sign. You go through switchbacks with newspaper clippings and a water fountain until you reach the station. Your stupid wild mouse car rolls in with just a lap bar, thank God. Ow! You take a sharp turn out of the moving station into a lift hill ascending 55 feet above the ground. After you detach from the lift, you have a stereotypical janky lateral turn into straight track into another janky lateral turn. Every steel wild mouse you'll ride will have the same, or at least a common layout, being the sharp turns, then a straight track at a slight angle, then a drop and ascend until the brake run. It happens multiple times throughout the ride, and I mean it doesn't bother me except for most of the drops are shallow and the ascents are either very steep or very shallow, because if they're very steep, of course they're going to be uncomfortable, and if they're very shallow, it kind of mellows the intensity of a roller coaster, which is what they were going for here. No matter what, I don't like it. Still, taking the last time I rode it was 2015 into consideration, it was a very forgettable and janky ride. Wow! Well, that was a short part of the review. Now, let's find some things to replace it with. Lightning round! Lightning round! Elastigirl Motorcycle Simulator. A Gustav's Restaurant for Ratatouille, Doofin Dropinator, One Man Stream, Behind the Adventure, Up, a Flying House Simulator, a Coco Meet and Greet, or a Staff Work Center. There, Disney. I give you 8 options. Do whatever you want with that information. Okay, I'm putting Goofy Sky School and Dead to Me. Once again, it is the mind eraser to my coaster studios, the Green Lantern to the population of the world. By the way, I do not plan on doing the Arrow history and the Harry Potter video until February of 2021 or later. Thank you for watching this video and hold on tight for the next one.